Good morning. My name is Vincent. Today I'm at Bukit Tabo. Actually, I would like to take some drone view of this scenery here. Okay, due to here is a very high hill, and I need to bring enough power juice for my drone to fly because I'm using Spark. As you know, Spark is only have a 60-minute flight time. So I now have a 4 battery plus a new product which I buy 3 weeks ago. So I would like to do some review on this product. This product name is Smatree. It's a power station. As you can see, it can charge 3 battery together in 40 minutes. This battery maximum can charge 6 battery, and it costs ringgit 299 ringgit. So I've been used quite some time, and I found it's quite good and it's quite portable. So that's why I would like to share this review. So basically, I will fly the drone and then I will charge the battery one by one until the 4th battery. We shall see the first battery how much it charged already and how fast it can charge. Okay, due to a lot of fog, I show you. So just now, as you can see, I also quite worried because the battery was low and I can't see anything at all just now. So I don't know where's my drone, and it's quite hard to locate. So now my battery less than 10%, as you can see. So what I'll do now is I will charge this battery and I will continue to go up, climb up to have a much bigger open space to fly the drone. Okay, when the battery is hot, I cannot charge this battery because there's a chip inside. For safety reason, they will not charge the battery when the battery is hot. So I need to let the battery rest for a while to cool down before I can charge. By the way, I will record the time, what time I charge the battery, so we can keep track how long it takes to charge the battery. This is the first battery just now I'm using. I will start to charge now because it's already cooled down. So basically, you just press in. The side here there's a button. You press on it. Then, okay, the battery is still hot. So that's why it's blinking like this. If charging, it won't be this type of sign. Now it's 9:20 morning. I will start charge the battery. As you can see, it already start charging. It only left 1 bar. So battery now is a bit hot. This is my third battery. As you can see, it's full bar. So I will go to another checkpoint on top to continue to fly. In the meantime, I shall stop here. Now it's 9:59. I'm going to charge my second battery. Just now I forgot to charge. So as you can see, the first one is already on the 4th bar. This one is starting to charge on 2nd bar. My third battery is also finished. Now I'm going to change to the fourth battery. This is my fourth battery. I'm going to fly soon. Okay, now 10:15. Guys, on the fourth battery just now, Sunny, there's a DJI update. After I update, I fly. Then I realize there's no indicate of a GPS log. Also no indicate how many satellite, and even no altitude and distance. So I'll be worried, and I fly down and I can't landing due to some error. So I got no choice. I have to use my hand to catch the drone, to catch my drone, and to pull out the battery. Quite scary. Then I try to on it back, then it back to normal. But I realized my battery is only left 49%, so I don't want to take the risk. Now I going to charge the third battery. Okay, after cool down, so I'm going to press. Now you can see second battery is now at third bar, or still second bar. This one is start charging, and this one you see is full already. So the first battery now is full already, so I can take out and charge the fourth battery still in my drone. Okay, now is 10:35. The second battery is fully charged already, so the third one is charging, and the fifth one I try to charge. You see now, see whether it's blinking. Okay, start charging. So it's around 10:35 start charging. Now it's 10:57. This battery is already full. This one I try again. Still cannot. Okay, change. This is the battery number 7, I think. This one can charge. I mean, this one needs some time to cool down. Okay, I'm going to pull out this one and put in this one. So this is battery number 8. Okay, this is battery number 8. I left only one bar. So this number 9. Then later will be number 10. Okay, battery number 9, I decide to go to the other point. Okay, now it's 11:26 minutes. I already charged battery number 9. So I not decide to charge anymore. So now I show you is how many bar left from this power station. You see, it still show that still got 2 bar. Why? Okay, why it still got so much? Because each time my battery left 1 bar or 2 bar, so it takes shorter time to full charge back. The most important is since I came up here 8:30 morning and until now 11:30 I think. So it's how many hours? So can you imagine, I've been flying the drone for almost non-stop, or I just take a break for 5 minutes and continue to fly again. So it's quite good. I mean, if you go to some hiking place, which is battery is very important. So I hope this one is good for people who have Spark, the DJI Spark. So I can recommend this one, the Smatree. You can get it from online. So pricing might different a bit, but will not so much. Okay, now it's 11:38. This is my number 9 battery. I'm using the last one. I'm going to fly on top of that hill, and I shall go down already. Okay, after using battery number 9, just to show you the remote control still got how many bar battery. It still have 3 bar. So the remote control battery actually can last very long. So after one full charge, so it's very good. So I have no worry with the remote control battery. It's only the spark battery. That one can finish very fast. Okay, that's all I'm sharing today. Just to let you know, this battery is whether it's good or not. So it's up to you to decide. So actually I'm standby for 10 actually, but I think I already take all the scenario view, so I shall stop here. So now it's also noon, sun is getting hot now. So I will see you other video. So please subscribe my channel and like my channel and share out to more people. Thank you very much.